Hello friends, let's take a look at the deployment topology of a controller, network and compute node and try to understand what all services and agents are available or installed on each of these nodes. On the controller node, we have the Nova scheduler and the Nova API, which communicates with the Nova compute service on each of the compute node and schedules and choreographs and synchronizes them. The MySQL is used by all the nodes as well as the controller node to store the state of the Openstack environment. RabbitMQ is for messaging, which all the nodes communicate with, take messages from, and send messages to for the entire choreography of the Openstack environment. Horizon user interface is for administrating and managing the instances, networks, etc. by the admin as well as the normal user. The Cinder volume surface is responsible for providing the backend, the storage backend, which could be LVM, which could be self storage, or any other kind of distributed storage. The Cinder API is available to all the compute nodes to make use of the storage volumes, and the Cinder scheduler is responsible for scheduling the Cinder volume and Cinder storage volume creation operations. Keystone API is for authentication and authorization. Neutron server is the server component of the networking, and it resides on the controller, and it communicates with the Neutron L3 agent, Open vSwitch agent, metadata agent, and DHCP agent to build up and configure the networking, add ports, remove ports as needed. And it also controls the external connectivity, which is through the Neutron L3 agent as well as internal VM to VM communication. The network node has lesser number of services. It has a Neutron L3 agent for external connectivity, Open vSwitch agent to communicate with the Open vSwitch agent on the compute node, metadata agent to provide metadata to the VM creation process. For example, the uh, key pairs, public private key, which need to be installed on the newly created instances, is provided by the metadata agent. DHCP agent provides DHCP addresses to the newly created virtual machines. If this agent goes down, then virtual machines will not get their IP addresses and networking will not work. Metering agent is just for computing the usage statistics of the network. Coming to the compute node, we have the hypervisor itself, then the Nova compute service, which takes its direction from the Nova scheduler and the Nova API services, Open vSwitch agent to communicate with the network node, and it basically hosts the virtual machines on it.